Hello, I'm Chavez and I'm here now to present topic number 9 and 10 for assignment number 4. I will start with topic 9, which is the regular expressions. Regular expressions are a way to describe patterns in string data, and they form a small separate language that is part of JavaScript and many other languages and tools, but they are a powerful tool for inspecting and processing strings because regular expressions are patterns used to match character combination in strings. There are two ways to create regular expressions. First is written as a literal value by enclosing the pattern in forward slash abc slash this regex variable. And since regular expressions is a type of object, so we can use constructor regex to express the given pattern ABC. Here are the regular expression modifiers. It starts with I, which performs case-insensitive matching, and with our given string, is this a this? Let's find the word is. And I, or the modifier I, is used after the expression or after the forward slash. And using the match method to find a match of is in a given string. The second one is G, which performs a global match, which finds all matches rather than stopping after the first match. So let's change this to G and see the result. So as you can see, the word is, two word is given, which is this one and this one. As you can see, it did not detect the is because we didn't write the word I. Let's add the word I. So it will be detect the first is. Third one is M, which performs multiple line matching. Below are another set of patterns, which are the meta characters. So let's start with that. With our given string foot, let's find the h.t, and we'll see the result. So it will show the hat in the hat. So let's now find the word character on the given string. So all the characters includes the small character A to Z and the capital letter A to Z, the number 0 to 9, and the underscore symbol. While using the capital W, it will all give whatever which are not characters. While slash smaller d, which show the number 4 and 5, which is the digits. Slash s will show all the spaces between the words. Here are another set of quantifiers which uses curly braces. Let's start with this first expression. Using this string of numbers, let's find number with 5 digits. So it will show the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number. While for the second one, which matches any string that contains a sequence of x to y with same given number, let's find digit 3 with 3 to 5 numbers. So it will show all the numbers with 3 to 5 digits. For the last one with x comma, contains a sequence of at least x ends. This will show all same thing as 3 to 5. Another sets of quantifiers are below. First, let's discuss the $n, which matches any string with n at the end of it. In a given string, all tall men play basketball. Let's find the word all in the end of the string, and this will be the result. So it will show all, which has an index 25 in the given input. Next one will be the caret n, which matches any string with n at the beginning of it. Same example, let's use caret all with I in case sensitive. So let's find the match. It will show the all, which has an index 0 in the given.
Here are some examples of uses of regular expression. We can use it to match an email address. Using this pattern, we can find a match of an email address. /b is a word boundary to detect the email address, while the first bracket shows the options for your email name, plus at second bracket will be for the domain Yahoo or Gmail, plus .com or .edu. We can also use it to find a match of valid dates. Using this following pattern, we can use for the year, for the month, and for the day. Also, we can use it to match an IP address using /b for the word boundary, also /d, which means finding a digit, with the curly bracket 1 to 3, so it's to find a number between a digit between 1 to 3 in each IP address, in each section of the IP address. We can also use it to find and verify credit cards, like for the Visa. Here will be an example of a pattern that we can use for the 13 to 16 credit card number. Here's an example of code where we can check if the given email address is true or not. By using the test method, it will return true if it finds a match, otherwise it returns false. So with this given pattern, so let's type an email address. And let's click the test. So it shows true, so it means that my email address is correct with this given pattern. I means it's a modifier, so that even you put a capital letter, it will still show true. Here's an example to test if the input date is valid with the given pattern. Let's input the date 12/12/2017, and let's click test, so it shows true. So for the month date, this will be the options for the month date. If it is January, 01. If it is December, it's 1, 2. And for the day, so if it is December 1, it should be 01. December 12 should be 1 and 2. If it is December 31, it will be 3 and 1. And for the year, there will be an option if it is 1900s or 20, and slash digit with 2 digit, it will show the last 2 digit 17, and the caret will be the start and the dollar sign will be the end of the pattern. And if we add something here, and it will show false because it's invalid.
Let's discuss now topic 10, web programming, a crash course. Let's define internet first, which is basically just a computer network spanning most of the world. And these computer networks make it possible for computers to send each other messages. It's like one computer, a server, is just waiting for somebody who's like a client to open something in the other side of the world or anywhere to open communication with the server, and they will exchange whatever it is that needs to be exchanged using specific language, which is a protocol. Internet used to carry messages for many different protocols, but we are interested now in www, which is the World Wide Web, which uses a protocol of HTTP, which means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And this HTTP is used to retrieve web pages and the files associated with them. And we can access the web pages using the browser. Examples are the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and the Internet Explorer.
There are two sides of programming, the server side and the client side programming. The server side programming is writing a code that runs on the server using languages supported by the server such as Java, PHP, Python, C, while the client programming is writing a code that will run on the client, and it's done in languages that can be executed by the browser, and the example of this is the JavaScript. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It describes the structure of web pages. And HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. And elements are represented by tags. These tag label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Here is an example of simple HTML document. The doc type HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5 or can be detected by modern browsers. Then the HTML element is the root element of the HTML page. There are two parts of HTML, which is the head and the body. The head element contains meta information about the document, while the body contains the visible page content. For the head, we can add the title, which specify a title for the document, and for the body, we can add H1 for a large heading and P, which defines a paragraph. There are 6 type of heading. The H1 is the largest while the H6 is the smallest.